Feeling stuck? Unmotivated? Like you're spinning your wheels and getting nowhere? Listen, you are not alone. We've all been there, staring down the barrel of our goals, wondering where that initial burst of enthusiasm ran off to. But here's the thing. Motivation isn't some magical fairy dust that's sprinkled on a select few. It's a skill, a muscle you can build. And in today's video, I'm going to give you the 7 best tips to flex that motivation muscle and make 2025 your year. Get ready to ditch the excuses and step into your power, because we're about to unlock your most productive, successful year yet. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of all motivation crystal clear goals. Think of it like this. You wouldn't get in your car and start driving without knowing where you're going, right? The same goes for your life. You need a destination. But here's the secret sauce. Ditch those vague aspirations and get laser focused. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, tell me how much weight, by when. I want to exercise more. Nope, not good enough. How about, I'm going to work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. See the difference? Specific, measurable, achievable goals. Those are your GPS coordinates to success. Write them down, make them visible, and watch how that clarity fuels your fire. Now let's inject some serious inspiration into the mix with a vision board. This isn't about arts and crafts, my friend, it's about creating a visual masterpiece of your dreams. Think magazine cutouts, powerful quotes, images that light you up, anything that represents the future you're building. This isn't just some fluffy exercise, alright? Our brains are hardwired to move towards what we focus on. So when you surround yourself with visual reminders of your goals, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind for success. Hang that vision board where you'll see it every single day, and watch how it transforms from a collection of pictures to a tangible roadmap for your future. Listen, we're all guilty of relying on motivation to strike. But here's the cold, hard truth. Motivation is fickle. It comes and goes like the tide. What you need is a rock-solid routine. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds your dreams in place, even when motivation takes a vacation. Start small. Set a daily schedule for your tasks, whether it's work, exercise, or personal projects. Stick to it religiously, even when you don't feel like it. Because here's the magic: consistency breeds momentum. And momentum, my friend, is a force to be reckoned with. Over time, that routine will become second nature, carrying you through even on the toughest days. Chapter 4. Reward your wins. Let's be real, staying motivated is a lot easier when there's something delicious waiting for you at the finish line. So, let's talk rewards. And no, I don't mean anything crazy or expensive. It could be as simple as watching your favorite show after a productive work session, enjoying a delicious treat after a killer workout, or taking a well-deserved break after crushing a goal. It's about recognizing your progress and celebrating your wins, no matter how small. Because those little bursts of dopamine, they're like rocket fuel for your motivation, propelling you forward on your journey to success. Chapter 5. Surround yourself with positivity. You've heard it before, and I'm going to say it again. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, take a good, hard look at your circle. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Are they cheering on your dreams or raining on your parade? Remember, negativity is like a virus. It spreads. So, surround yourself with positive, supportive people who inspire you to be your best self. And that includes your own internal dialogue. Ditch the self-doubt and negative self-talk. You are capable of amazing things, so start believing it. Chapter 6. Embrace the setbacks. Here's a little secret. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to it. Every successful person you know has stumbled, fallen, and picked themselves back up countless times. The difference is, they didn't let those setbacks define them. They used them as fuel, as lessons, as opportunities to learn and grow. So the next time you hit a roadblock, and you will, it's part of the journey. Don't beat yourself up. Don't let fear paralyze you. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to make myself stronger, smarter, more resilient? Chapter 7. Prioritize your health. Let's talk about the foundation of it all, your physical and mental well-being. You can have all the motivation in the world, but if you're running on fumes, it's going to be an uphill battle. Think of it this way. Your body is a high-performance machine, and like any machine, it needs the right fuel to function at its best. That means nourishing your body with whole, healthy foods, moving your body regularly, and prioritizing sleep like it's your superpower. Because it is! When you feel good physically and mentally, your energy soars, your focus sharpens, and your motivation, well, let's just say it'll be knocking on your door every morning, ready to tackle the day. Outro, go get 'em. Remember, motivation is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So, start implementing these 7 tips today, and I promise you, you'll see a dramatic shift in your life. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve when you have the tools and the mindset to make it happen. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And hey, while you're there, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Keep chasing those dreams, my friend. I'll see you in the next one.